on a scale of 0 to 10, to what extent are you living a life that you love? If you're anything other than a 10, but also if you're a 10 out of 10, it's worth figuring out like what actually is the problem? Like in what areas of life do you actually want to be doing something? Like what is this gap between where you want to be and where you currently are?
This is Ali Abdaal, an online entrepreneur that currently makes about $382,000 per month, combining all his online income streams. If you want to better understand who Ali Abdaal is and how he makes this amount of money using only the internet, watch this video until the end. By the end of the video, you will know exactly how he makes money and how you can copy him and become a successful online entrepreneur with several income streams. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this new channel to learn more about how to make money online. Also, if you want to speed up your success and achieve financial independence, check out the first link in the description below. Who is Ali Abdaal? Ali Abdaal is an online entrepreneur, and his main activity is to be a content creator on YouTube. With this activity, he developed 6 income streams, which now allow him to make over $382,000 per month. And all of that just using the internet. Ali used to be a full-time doctor in London. However, in 2017, he started to regularly create YouTube videos about productivity, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. After many months struggling, in 2018 he started to gain some results, and today he is one of the most successful YouTubers and entrepreneurs in this niche with over 4,600,000 subscribers. Ali is a truly inspiring case for all of those who want to start an online business and make money from home. So let's see how he managed to develop those 6 income streams and how we can copy him. For that, we are going to analyze all his income streams from the smallest to the biggest. But before we start, just a reminder, revenue does not equal profit. Of course, he has expenditures to run his business, but what makes online businesses extremely interesting is their high margin profit that can reach 80% margins or more. So let's start. Income 1. Ali Abdaal's first income stream is from email newsletter brand deals. Ali has a free weekly productivity insight newsletter where he shares actionable productivity tips, practical life advice, and high-quality insights from across the web. With over 350,000 subscribers, this newsletter is a massive opportunity for brands and companies to promote their products. With that in mind, Ali monetizes his audience's interest through brand deals. Basically, this is how it works. Companies and brands pay Ali to promote their products or services in his weekly emails. According to the latest available numbers, email newsletter brand deals accounts for 2% of Ali Abdaal's overall revenue. Translating it in numbers, he makes about $8,000 per month, considering a $382,000 total revenue. So email newsletter brand deals are his income stream number 1. Income 2. Ali Abdaal's second income stream is from affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's an advertising model where affiliates earn commissions by promoting products or services from companies or other persons. Basically, this is how it works. Ali signs up in affiliate programs of companies or products that he likes or trusts. After that, he uses his YouTube videos to promote those companies and products. With that, he earns commissions on every lead or sale that he is responsible for. This type of recommendation and business model is very good for him and his audience because through his affiliate links, new customers can get discounts or free trials. According to the latest available numbers, affiliate marketing accounts for 10% of Ali's overall revenue. Translating it in numbers, he makes about $38,000 per month, considering a $382,000 total revenue. So affiliate marketing is his income stream number 2. Income 3. Ali Abdaal's third income stream is from Skillshare. If you do not know what Skillshare is, it is an online learning community with thousands of courses on topics like illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and much more. Ali has classes on Skillshare about several topics, such as video editing, productivity, and even cooking. As Skillshare is a paid platform, he receives a portion of Skillshare's monthly profits based on how many premium minutes people watched with regards to his Skillshare classes. According to the latest available numbers, Skillshare classes accounts for 15% of Ali's overall revenue. Translating it in numbers, he makes about $57,000 per month, considering a $382,000 total revenue. So Skillshare is his income stream number 3. Income 4. Ali Abdaal's fourth income stream is from sponsorships and brand deals. Content creators are very familiar with this type of income because brand deals or sponsorships are very common for those who have an audience. Mainstream advertising has shifted from the ads that used to be paid to media companies and their TV shows to now being paid to content creators on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Nowadays, brands are increasingly spending more of their advertising budgets with content creators. According to Forbes and Social Backers, micro-influencers have over a 20% higher conversion rate that can help brands boost their e-commerce sales. Therefore, despite their small followings, brands can extract incredible sales value from working with micro-influencers. Basically, this is how it works. Companies and brands pay influencers and content creators to promote their products or services to a certain audience. In Ali's case, he does these sponsorships mainly on his YouTube videos. According to the latest available numbers, brand deals and sponsorships accounts for 20% of Ali's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $76,000 per month, considering a $382,000 total revenue. So brand deals and sponsorships are his income stream number 4. Income 5. Ali Abdaal's fifth income stream is from Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a tool developed by Google that allows content creators to place advertising from third-party companies on their YouTube channel or website. In Ali's case, by joining the YouTube Partner Program, he uses Google AdSense placing ads on his YouTube videos. For those who don't know, YouTube monetization works through Google AdSense, and this is the process. When a company advertises its brand, products, or services through YouTube, AdSense places the ad on the registered YouTube video. And for each click or view made by the followers on the posted content, Google transfers a percentage of the ad spending to the content creator account. In order to participate in the YouTube Partner Program, the YouTube channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Since Ali makes both conditions and has the YouTube monetization activated, he makes money from YouTube ads. Today, Ali's channel has over 4,600,000 subscribers. According to the latest available numbers, Google AdSense accounts for 23% of Ali's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $88,000 per month, considering a $382,000 total revenue. Today, we can actually say that Ali is a full-time YouTuber. It's thanks to YouTube that Ali can promote his own products and other products as an affiliate. So Google AdSense from YouTube ads is his income stream number 5. Income 6. Ali Abdaal's sixth income stream is from his online courses sales. Ali has several online courses where he teaches how to be a successful YouTuber and how to be confident on camera. His main course is the Part-Time YouTuber Academy, where he condensed over 6 years of YouTube experience into a few hours. According to the latest available numbers, online course sales accounts for 30% of Ali's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $115,000 per month, considering a $382,000 total revenue. So selling his own online course is his income stream number 6. Ali's history teaches us that today anyone can start an online business, and with the right information and knowledge, achieve financial freedom by making money online. A life lesson we can learn from Ali is what he constantly says on his videos.
And this is just a really important lesson to always remind ourselves of, that like, are we doing the thing that's actually driving results, or are we doing what feels to us that like work and what looks like work to other people, but that's not actually driving the thing that we actually want to get out of it, especially if we're not having fun along the way.
Well, now that you know more about how Ali Abdaal makes $382,000 per month, Don't forget to like the video and also to subscribe to our channel to see more videos about successful online entrepreneurs. Hopefully the next video can be about you. And finally, don't forget to check the first link in the description below if you want to change your life using the internet. We will see you in the next one. Until next time, goodbye.